Our journey as a first-year criminology student at Lemery Colleges began with orientation. The air buzzed with a mixture of excitement and apprehension. We were a sea of unfamiliar faces, all eager to embark on this challenging yet rewarding path. The introductory season laid the groundwork of the was to come, setting the year for a year filled with both academic rigor and personal growth. The initial days were a whirlwind of introductions, syllabus review, and getting acquainted with the campus. We navigated unfamiliar hallways, discovering hiding study spots, and slowly began to find our place within the vibrant criminal program. Sheer scale of the curriculum was daunting but also exhilarating. The academic pressure was immediate and intense. The workload was substantial, demanding long hours of study and unwavering dedication. We faced challenging exam, conflict case studies, and the constant pressure to perform. There were moments of doubt, moments of frustration, and moments when we questioned our ability to success. Yet, amidst the academic rigor, we discovered an inner strength and resilience we never knew we possessed. We learned to manage our time effectively, to prioritize tasks, and to seek help when needed. We supported each other, sharing notes, offering encouragement, and celebrating each small victory along the way.
Our professors played a crucial role in our success. Their guidance, expertise, and unwavering support helped us navigate the complexities of the curriculum. They fostered a learning environment that encouraged critical thinking, collaboration, and a deep understanding of the field. The bonds we forget with our classmates were invaluable. We shared late night study sessions, celebrated successes, and offered comfort during times of stress. This friendship became our lifeline, providing a much needed sense of belonging and support in an often demanding academic environment. The reception rites were a memorable highlight of our first year. It was a chance to celebrate our achievements, to bond with our peers, and to formally welcome ourselves into the criminology community. The event was a testament to our collective hard work and perseverance. We were constantly excited by the fascinating aspect of criminology. Each new topic, each case study, each lecture ignited our curiosity and deepened our understanding of the field. We were captivated by the intricacies of criminal behavior, the complexities of the justice system, and the importance of upholding the rule of law.
We also grappled with the weight of responsibility that comes with studying criminology. We understood the profound impact our future career would have on individuals, communities, and society as a whole. This understanding instilled in us a sense of purpose and a commitment to justice. Our pursuit was not just about academics, it was also about personal growth. We learned to manage stress, to work independently and collaboratively, and to develop critical thinking skills. We honed our research abilities, our communication skills, and our ability to analyze complex information. There were moments of pure happiness, moments when the hard work paid off, and moments when we felt a sense of accomplishment. These moments furthered our determination and reinforced our commitment to the field. There were also moments of vexation, moments when the pressure felt insurmountable, and moments when we questioned our ability to keep going. But even in this moment, we found strength in our friendship and our shared commitment to success.
We made mistakes along the way, but we learned from them. We learned to adapt, preserve, and to never give up on our dream. These mistakes become valuable lessons that shape our understanding of the field and our approach to learn. Discover the power of teamwork. We learn that collaboration, mutual support, and shared responsibility are essential for success in the field of criminology. We work together, helping each other to overcome challenges and achieve common goals. Our professor challenged us to think critically, to analyze information objectively, and form our own informed opinions. This critical thinking approach was crucial, developing our understanding of complex criminal justice issues. We had our opportunity to apply our knowledge in practical settings through simulations, case study, and research project. This experience provide valuable insight into the real-world application of criminological principles.
Our first year laid a strong foundation for our future careers in criminology. We developed a solid understanding of the field and our skills and built lasting relationships with our peers and professors. As we look ahead to the remaining years of our program, we are filled with both excitement and anticipation. We are confident in our abilities, grateful for the support we've received, and committed to making a positive impact in the field of criminology. We express our sincere gratitude to our professors, our classmates, and the Lemery College's community for their support and guidance throughout our first year. Their contributions have been invaluable in shaping our journey. Our first year as criminology students at Lemery Colleges was a year of growth both academically and personally. It was a year filled with challenges, triumphs, friendship, and unforgettable memories. It was a year that shaped us into the aspiring criminologists we are today.